Hakasian ban Nyngkong ke Jylla Meghalaya kan yo ban lum ban lang ya borok ki physiotherapist na keleng ki Jylla jongkeri ban ishimenta haka conference hakani kanong ba Shillong. Habi kren ba kinong pathai kubor ha Shillong Press Club ne kesngi ka arpasantre kulalingkot ki noyalam jong kani ka kenhun hapo ka jingalam jong president uba mentoy langbang u vice president uba shingan ki perbot bat umilan chetri kila pente ba kani ka kenhun kan Pynlong ya ka conference ban Nyngkong hapo kani ka Jylla ha ka ar bat lai tarik urempang mentau snam arajar khat phra ha usoso tham auditorium kila pente pru bahadu menta kila don palat ekalai spatam ki bela register ban wani shementa kindan ru ki penwan na Karnataka Goa bat naki wei pat ki Jylla jongkeri.
The aim of having such a physiotherapy conference at present in the state is like to apprise people especially about the role of physiotherapy. As we know that the role of physiotherapy has been very well documented and understood in especially in sports physiotherapy, but today as you know that if you visit any hospital or any private clinic, you have a number of physiotherapists which take care of not only the orthopedic problems but also neurological, cardiology, even women's health when it comes to women's health and other, even pediatrics also. There are many fields of physiotherapy where we have our services around. So we are looking forward where in this conference students all the way from Gujarat and Karnataka are coming all the way, and there will be a lot of clinical presentations and paper presentations, and we hope that this will be the first from the Meghalaya physiotherapy, and we hope that in future this will just kick start. This will be the first sort of conference that we are organizing, and we hope that in future that we will be able to bring more conferences and more workshops for updating the skills of physiotherapists, especially the ones who are in our state.